Da-da-da-dun, snap, snap. Da-da-da-dun, snap, snap. Da-da-da-dun, 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 snap, snap. Personalize your students' Halloween creepy, kooky, and spooky party name tags. Your old classroom decorations are creepy, and you know they're kind of kooky, mysterious, and spooky. They're all together ooky. Your old classroom decorations, da-da-da-da, snap, snap, da-da-da, snap, snap. Whatever your Halloween ideas and theme decorations are this year, you have to make them editable. Name tags and posters right here. Make up sayings on stickers or print out your students' names. Whatever you decide is totally up to you. You will be the envy of every teacher this year, and creepy and kooky at the same time. Your classroom needs more, so stop using those old decorations year after year. Make these name tags and posters part of your theme this year. Hey, it's Halloween, right? So party on with these Halloween decorations. This season's a must. These all-together ooky posters and signs are total customizable and easy to use and a quick download too. Make your Halloween decorations really scream this year. Add this to your Halloween party decoration supply list. Do you need ghoul gang cutouts, Halloween decorations? I've got you covered. If you're planning a kid-friendly Halloween party, why not go for the ghoul and the gang theme? These Halloween decorations are so easy to print out, or you can have your local shop print them out for you. It's totally epic! Hang these Halloween decorations throughout your Halloween theme party and complete your look. You can use these Halloween stickers on cards, Halloween decorations. You can put them on anything that's ghoul. You can be such a ghoulish teacher this Halloween season. Get your Halloween party off with a good start and start decorating today. These stickers also work great for classroom rewards during the holiday season. You better get started. Ghosts, goblins, witches, and werewolves will be coming soon, and they want to see some decorations. Boo! We have what you're looking for. Enjoy your fall season. We have more fall themes and theme bundles coming soon. Bye-bye for now.